Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crocheteers channel. Today what we're going to talk about is the 50 for you, 50 for me giveaway. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And before we jump into that, I will share with you what I'm wearing because people will probably ask. But this is a cowl that I created out of Snuggle Puff cotton yarn that I purchased from We Crochet about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And the name of this cowl is the Peacock Infinity Cowl, and it's a free pattern from Crochet Kim's website. It's also, if you go back to my video, you'll see me wearing the cowl on the thumbnail and doing the Snuggle Puff review. The free pattern is in my description boxes there as well. Okay, so just FYI for that. Okay, so let's move on. So today what we're here to talk about is the 50 for you, 50 for me. About 6 months ago, I think it was, Pricilla from Distinctive Crochet came up with the idea of doing a 50 for you, 50 for me. And what that entails is that a bunch of content creators get together and we kind of pool kind of resources, meaning that we all put out a video and say, announce the 50 for you, 50 for me, and then the folks can go to those various channels of those content creators that are participating and enter comments in that person's box below, and that enters them in, and that person will do a drawing, which i.e. is going to be me, do a drawing, and then whoever I draw from here is entered as a semi-finalist, and then Pricilla at Distinctive Crochet does a drawing with all of the semi-finalists' name for the winner. And so what does somebody win? So 50 for you, 50 to me, 50 for me is alluding to what the prize is. The prize is a $50 gift card from Amazon. And so why is it 50 for you, 50 for me? Is because the 50 for you is 50 for whoever is the winner. So there'll be one semifinalist drawn from each channel, and one of those semifinalists will be the winner to get the 150 gift card from Amazon. And then the other 50 for me is Pricilla, whoever participates, meaning the content creators. So if there's 10 or 15 or 20, I don't know how many there are, guys. I don't. I meant to ask Pricilla to give me an idea, but then I forgot to ask. But I will put the playlist down in the description box below. But anyway, so however many content creators are, she'll put all of them in a pot, and then whoever wins out of that will win the gift card as well. And so that's how it'll work. So it'll basically be it'll start today, and then I will draw from my channel, whoever puts their comments down below in my channel, I will draw next Thursday, March 4th. I'll close it out early and draw early in the day on March 4th, so that way I have time to get things done on March 4th, and then I will take that name. I'll announce it in a very short video that particular name, whoever it is, I'm going to send it to Pricilla at Distinctive Crochet, and then she will do the finalist drawing over there. So it kind of narrows down that pool. So if there's 10 people, 10 content creators on the playlist, guys, you can go to all 10 of them and put a comment in and follow the directions for whatever that content creator is saying, right? So if they're saying you need a special code word or something along those lines, you put that in and you can enter 10 times. It gives you more opportunities to win as far as that goes. So the specifics for the rules are, it's being hosted by Pricilla at Distinctive Crochet. She's the one who's going to be responsible for the prizes. If you have questions about the Amazon gift card or anything like that, kind of go over there and direct them to her. To be able to get the Amazon gift card, if you are a winner, of course, you have to have a valid email. Amazon and YouTube are not affiliated with this in any way whatsoever. You do have to be 18 years old in order to participate. And like I say, she's the one responsible for the prizes. She would have you subscribe to her channel when you go over there. So what do we need to do for our channel, right? So from, like I already shared, next week I'll draw one from below. And so what we need to do. So subscribe to the channel, and let's think, do we need a comment? I don't think so. I mean, if you want to put something like 50 for you, that would be fine. I mean, some people will leave comments and tell me that they don't want to participate, and that's okay, because I do that personally. I actually go around to different people and I see that they're running giveaways, things like that, and I typically will see it and I'll watch it even, but I typically will not enter, just because I want to leave that for you guys, so you guys can win and not really me. But yeah, so we don't need any special keyword. So just leave a comment below and I will pick a winner from the list that's below. Make sure to hit the like button, give a thumbs up, so make sure you subscribe, and those kinds of things. Again, if you don't want to participate, make sure you say no. So I won't pick you, okay? So I will, again, I'll put it out next week so you guys will know who's going to be entered in the semifinalists. I will give those names to her, and then she will draw sometime after March 4th to announce the winner. All right, y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions or concerns about the whole process, you can direct that to Priscilla, or you can leave it below and I'll answer what I know about it, okay? I will talk with you next time. Have a fantastic day, y'all.